Okay, so here we're gonna go ahead and add the border. You're gonna add your color right in between these two bobble stitches, and then you're gonna chain 2. So that's 1 and 2, and that's gonna count as your first double crochet. And then you're gonna make 2 more double crochets inside this space right here. So that is 1 and 2. Now in the next space, we're gonna do 3 trebles, 2 chains, and then 3 more trebles. So that's yarn over twice, insert stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're gonna do that 2 more times. So that's 1 and 2. So you should have 3. That's 3 double crochets, 3 trebles, and then we're going to chain 2. That's 1 and 2. And then in that same exact space, we're going to be doing 3 more trebles. This is going to be the corner of our border. So that is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you see how it turns? That's our corner right there. And then in the next stitch, in the next space, we're going to do 3 double crochets. So that is 1, hold on, 2, and 3. Okay, you see our nice little corner right here. Now in the next space, we're gonna do 3 half doubles. So that is 1, 2, 3. In your next space, you're gonna do 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. In our next space, we're going to do the same thing that we did in this corner. So that's 1, 2, 3 trebles, chain 2, and then 1, 2, 3 more trebles. So that is 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 more trebles in the same stitch, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's our corner again. These are our 2 corners. And then in the next space, you're going to do 3 doubles. 1, I'm so sorry, that was a treble. Okay, so 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. In the next space, you're going to do 3 half doubles. 1, 2, 3. In the next one, you're going to do 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. And then the next one, we're doing that corner again. So that's 3 trebles, chain 2, and then 3 more trebles, all in the same space. So that is 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and then 3 more trebles in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. And then in the next one, we're going to do 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. And the next one, we're going to do 3 half doubles. 1, 2, 3. And the next one, we're doing 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. And then again over here, we're doing our corner. So that's 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 3 more trebles in the same space. 1, 2, 3, and then in the next space we're going to do 3 doubles. I'm sorry, I accidentally did a treble again. So 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3, and then in the next one we're going to do 3 half. 1, 2, 3. And then that's when you're going to do a slip stitch into that first chain 2 that you did. And I just want to show you real quick the pattern. So you start off with 3 half doubles, and then, I'm sorry, you start off with 3 doubles, and then you're doing your corner. So that's 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles. And then your next space is 3 doubles, and then 3 half doubles, and then 3 doubles, and then your corner again. 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles, and then 3 doubles, 3 half doubles, 3 doubles, and then your corner, 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles, and then 3 doubles, 3 half doubles, 3 doubles, and then your corner, 3 trebles, chain 2, 3 trebles, and then 3 doubles, and then 3 half doubles, and then your slip stitch. So we'll do that now. We're just going to go ahead and slip stitch into that top, and then you'll go ahead and bind off, but there is your border.